at 5:30 on the 22nd of February, that's Ash Wednesday, this coming Wednesday, we're going to have a wonderful service here to mark the beginning of Lent, the 40 days that lead up to Easter. And I thought to tell you today just a bit about what it feels like to be ashed, because to many people it's a bit strange. First of all, it's a touching moment when you receive the gift of ashes on your forehead. You may have noticed that I've got a rather large target to aim at, so when people put a cross on my forehead, it's like receiving the angel of the north. But everybody gets a cross, and everybody in receiving that cross receives a precious gift from God to remind us that we are mortal. Secondly, it's about being marked, because what the ash is made into is a cross shape. And the cross reminds us that no matter how much we suffer, God's love can be in the middle of suffering. We can learn how to use suffering as a way of loving other people, a way of accepting that we are mortal beings. So we're touched, we're marked, and finally we're freed. Because if we do admit that we are just little people living lives often under pressure and difficulty, we are free to discover all the possibilities of learning to love one another and loving God better and better in the circumstances with which we're faced with. So I think those are the three things I cling to at Ash Wednesday: the fact that we're touched, the fact that we're marked, and above all, the fact that we're freed for joy, freed to serve God and one another in our mortal lives.